Okay, so today I'm going to go over how I download music and inspirational music from YouTube into my Aftershokz. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to capwing.com and order the software. So capwing.com is a software that allows you to download things to your desktop from anywhere, really, as long as it has a URL. So this is a URL, the www address. So for example, this is a song called Smack My Bitch Up by Prodigy. So I'm going to take this URL, copy it, go to capwing.com, and I'm going to create new. I'm going to paste the URL right here. And it's going to pull that video. And I don't want the video, I just want to extract the audio. Finish. I think it makes like a little bloop sound when it's done officially. I'm going to hit export project. And I want to export it as an MP3. Export audio. So it's pulling the audio now. This is, I guess, where it makes that little bloop sound. Yeah, a notification chime will play. There it was. So I'm going to download it. And now I'm downloading it to my computer. And there's the video right there. So the problem is they're always Untitled Project V1. They always say that. So you have to, in a sense, move this project to somewhere and retitle it. So you have to kind of like go to your downloads folder and then retitle it. Here we go. So now I'm going to drag that and put it in my ear folder. So now I own it. So you can do that over and over and over again. I'm not afraid. Yeah. So you can take that song. Now I don't know if this is a okay, it's that one song. Yep, 4 minutes. I just wanted to make sure it wasn't like a bunch of videos. So take that URL, copy paste, take it here, go to my workspace, create new project, drag the URL, paste it. There it comes. And then I'm going to export the project as an MP3. export project. I can make it a higher quality I want. Maybe, why not? MP3. Export as MP3. Export audio. And it's going to give me some sort of a notification. Okay, so I'm going to download it. And then own it. So there I'm not afraid. Yeah. So there it is. Then I have to go to like my folder here and rename it. Be able to change it right here. However the hell you spell M&M. No, that's not it. Okay, so there's M&M. Alright, so that's how I can do it. Pretty simple. Put it in there. There it is. So, where's M&M? I'm not afraid. Yeah. It's been a So that's basically how I do it. For me, that's the easiest way out of here. I tried all the other things like Spotify's and things like you just can't own these things. So that's how I get them to my computer and then transfer them over to the OpenSwim. Hope that helps. Talk to you soon. Like and subscribe or say something positive about this, some likes or whatever.